Okay, this is the second part where I show you the masking because I chose a bad video last time. Masking is fairly simple to do. If you're doing a simple video like I'm doing, it can get significantly more complicated. It's not going to be horribly difficult to do because what I need to mask is fairly small. So I've got a little piece of missing green over here and a bit over here. Yeah, so we do it in the masking tab. In the masking tab, we click on this little, what's that called, the clacker, and we choose the video that we just used. Yeah, and so what we do is we hold down the control button and we start clicking. And we're going to draw a big loop around here. You can go underneath, doesn't matter. See this little thing that came up here? I can turn my mask around. Anyway, I've made it big here because I don't need it to be small. Notice I also didn't close it up here. But after we're done here, everything that's inside this loop, this mask, will be visible, will be used. The rest will be thrown in the garbage. So to close it off, we hit this toggle cyclic button. You can see now it's closed up. And that's it. That's for building a mask. That's all we need to do. So we go back to our composite tab. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this garbage input to close that part off. So what we do is we add a mask. And we select the mask we use called FMask. And we stick that into the garbage. And poof, I disappear. Because that's using stuff on the outside. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add an invert node and bloop, flip it around. You can see here that the corners are all cleaned up. Yeah. One thing I'll add at the end of this video here is you can see, like on the edge of my my fingers and my head, you can see reflections of that green. So if you want to, you can play around with these settings to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, change these around. If it looks good, do it. If it looks horrible, don't do it. I am not paying attention to what I'm doing, and I'm really just moving things around. It looks like my fingers are getting chopped off here, whatever I did here. Anyway, yeah, fiddle with it. Change the settings around. Anyway, and clean it up a little bit if you want. All right, that is the masking part. Simple. Hold down Control, click a circle around it, and hit the toggle cyclic. All right. That's the simplest way. There are, yeah, it can get more complicated, but I'm not going to show you here. Okay, bye.